The edge of the world here, and he's gonna fall off right now. So yeah, go on, jump, 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 jump. It's a great mountain. The cursed sign of Rattlesnake must be death. That's enough prattling around.
This is the French in the Second World War.
What the hell was that then?
That is you.
What's that? Quick, get down! Must be the Germans.
Fatigue is setting in.
What should we do now, John? Pick this old gun, you see? And find it on the ground, see? See? Watch out! Very close indeed.
This trench is very old. It's been here at least 20 million years. And it's like, jump up, ski. Now where's that path? Over there, I think. Oh, we'll set it there.
Well.
Oh, what's that smell? Smell of poo on my hand. Oh,
So
is it not strong?
Good.
Yeah. I'm so bored. What's that?
Seems to be a bit of grass. There's a appearance of it's grass and it's green. And it grows long all year round. Forgot. Bye.
And this is what I call a severe mental case, which I'll write down in my book right now. Ooh. Aha! And here is the secret pathway to the other realm of darkness. Interesting piece of work by me, yes. Ah, there it is.
Wild Putney. Didn't work. Fuck it. Broken down soil, isn't it?
Good.
Well, it's broken down soil, isn't it? So, peat in it.
Amazing stuff you have.
Yes. It's worth a lot of money. £2 million worth of peat is here. It's very.
So distracted by.
Shit.
Fine specimen of a beast. Fine specimen of a
Oh, weird.
This was a T-Rex.
See this tree? It goes all the way up like a woman's leg. And it's a monkey man. 2. Look at that. It's a monster climbing up the tree. Where is he? Quick, the monster's coming! Quick! Lush bit. Some green. Here. Bro, get a fucking great push. Real fucking.
$20 million tons. No, right against that leg.
Whoa, strong. Good work.
Very good.
That's a bit heavy.
Just a bit.
How do you lift it up?
Goes Arnie.
How do you do that? Smile to the camera. Real good.
Bazooka. So. I can't get the fucking hold.
Whoa! Fucking hell. And then when I get him a go, with an elephant leg, of course. Whoa!
Whoa.
Leg, of course. Whoa!
Whoa. X marks the spot.
Nope.
No, we don't want the bush. Focus. Oh.